I need to be honest with you about something before this video starts. What I'm about to show you, the numbers, the method, the results. I almost didn't make this video because I knew people would see it and say that's not possible. So let me show you first before I say anything else, okay? Just last month I have made $36,270 and it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. This is a recent payment request details, and as you guys can see here, it's paid. Okay, I already received this payment, and just this month, just in 29 days, I have made $37,281. Okay, with Pinterest and AI and affiliate marketing. No ads, no product, no face on camera. I have been doing this business for over 6 years, and I want to tell you something honestly. This is the fastest I have ever made this kind of money ever. And the reason it happened this fast is AI. AI changed everything: the content creation, the keyword research, the pin design, the SEO, all of it. AI is now doing almost 90% of the work that I used to take me weeks. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I used to make $37,281 in 29 days with Pinterest affiliate marketing and AI step by step, so you can copy this. If you are ready, stay with me, pay close attention because this one is different. Step number one, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using AI, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay? So you need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr Affiliates. So here is what you will do. You will go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Of course, it's for free. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliates, okay? It's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliates website. You guys can check this website. You can see the commission plan and how much they are paying. They are really paying good commissions. So for example, if you start promoting pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order, and the lowest that they are paying is 25% of the first order for other services for level 1, level 2 and top rated sellers. Okay, the best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buys a service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. The best part, if the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. So you can turn this into a passive income. You guys can check this and get more details. If you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and click on join now like this. It's gonna take you to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you need to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. They will ask you, do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes, okay? And here is what you will do. You will put here your Pinterest profile link, okay? So you'll go and create a Pinterest profile page, okay? And put your profile, your Pinterest profile page here, okay? Your Pinterest profile link, okay? Before you put your profile link, it's better to create at least up to 5 pins about Fiverr services so your account can get approved fast, okay? You cannot just promote those services on Pinterest. You can also promote those services on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more, okay? In this video, I'll show you how we can do it with Pinterest, okay? So scroll down, click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. So click here to choose also your language. Once you finish, if you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to go to Google and you need to create Pinterest business account. Okay, it's better to use business account because the option that are available on business account, it's not like the option that are on personal account. So business account, it's better for promoting affiliate links. Okay, so search for Pinterest business account, click on the first link, follow a few steps. They will ask you just few questions, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, why we choose Pinterest, guys? Because Pinterest, it's getting 1 billion monthly visitors. Okay, the best part with Pinterest, why Pinterest is also good for affiliate marketing, because Pinterest, guys, is a search engine platform. So it's not like TikTok, it's not like Instagram. Pinterest is like YouTube and Google. Okay, so what you need to focus on Pinterest is your SEO. Okay, it doesn't matter if you started with new account and you have 0 followers, 2, 10, it doesn't matter. If you focus on good SEO, good keyword using AI, you can grow your account fast and start getting traffic. Okay, so I'll explain everything in this video. Okay, so once you finish creating your Pinterest business account, what you will do, you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Pinterest. Okay, and you need to promote, guys, services that has high demand. Okay, services that people are already paying for on Fiverr. I want you to pay close attention. Go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage. So how you can choose good services that has high demand? You see this one here, guys. We have trending. You see this option. So if you click on trending, Fiverr will give you the services that are trending right now, services that people are paying for on Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, I'm gonna choose the first one. Okay, we see here we have book design, book editing, we have a lot. We have e-commerce and drop shipping, we have Shopify, WordPress, website design, e-commerce marketing, and so on. Let's click on the first one. I will choose the first service, book design. Okay, I will choose this one, and here you go. You will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service. So what you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, how we can choose good sellers? Always choose like top rated sellers and level 2 sellers and the pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will go and check the feedback of their customers who already paid for this service. So if you are choosing good sellers, people will buy from you and you can earn commission. Okay, so make sure to choose good sellers. So let's choose one as an example. We have really a lot. We have this one, like this one is pro seller. This is an agency. Our agency will do book formatting and layout design for print and ebook. This one is a really good one. Okay, so what we will do, we will click on his service like this. Just click on his service, click on the service that you want to promote as an affiliate marketer, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. So you guys can see that already people are paying for this service. Okay, I'm sharing with you what's working right now. You see this? 33 orders in queue. People are already paying for this service, and we have here over 2,000 reviews, meaning that over 2,000 people paid for this service using just this one single seller. People keep coming back. This service, guys, is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep paying for this service over and over, and you will keep earning the 10% revenue share that I explained in the beginning. Okay, so this is a good one. So what we will do, we will click on the seller profile link. We will copy this seller profile link like this, and we will go back to our Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, and we will click over here. We have dashboard here. We have marketing tools, report, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. So what you will do next, you will click on deep link like this and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this link on Pinterest. Okay, this one, guys. So Fiverr Pro new plan. So if you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link always from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 and top rated sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here. So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr Stay Pay Old plan. because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option. This is an old Fiverr affiliate account, and it's almost the same. Fiverr Pro with Fiverr CPA, it's almost the same. Okay. And by the way, guys, for people who want to take this business seriously and you want to go deeper and learn more how they can use AI to create content, to scale fast, and more details, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I will send you guys all the details. I do have an affiliate marketing course that is explaining everything from scratch, how we can use AI to create content, how we can promote your affiliate links on YouTube, Quora, Reddit, you, and so much more. Okay, just feel free if you want to take it seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and they will send you all the details. Okay, anyway, let's get back to our video. Like I said, we need to promote this affiliate link, guys, on Pinterest. Okay, so we'll go back to Pinterest. Go and open your Pinterest account, click on home feed, and click on create pin. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page. So what you will do next here is you need to create a good eye-catching pin picture that will get clicks. You need to create a good title, good description using good keyword so your pin can rank higher and get clicks. All of this will be done by AI. Okay, so pay close attention. Go to ChatGPT and ask him. So just go to ChatGPT, guys, and ask him to give you a prompt to send to Sora to create viral clickbait Pinterest pin picture that you will use to promote book design service on Pinterest like this. Okay, and just click over here, and ChatGPT will give you high converting Sora prompt that you guys need to copy and paste on Sora. Okay, you just need to copy this prompt like this. Just copy this prompt. Okay, pro tip after this thing, use. Okay, I will copy, make it this. I will copy this prompt, guys. And what you will do next, you will go to sorachatgpt.com. Go to this website, okay? And click over here on describe your image and put your prompt here, okay? And click over here. And Sora will create a high quality viral Pinterest pin picture for you for free, okay? Yes, it's for free, okay? I'll show you guys the results once it's finished. Like I said, guys, when I started this business, AI doesn't exist. So to create high quality viral Pinterest pins pictures, to create just one pin picture, it was taking me hours. Okay, and right now for you guys, you have access to a lot of AI tools, free AI tools that you guys can use to create viral Pinterest pin pictures. Okay, and here you go. Do you see this result? That's really amazing. Okay, this sold copies, this made, you see this, that's really amazing, guys. Okay, this sold 0 copies, this made 10,000 myself. Okay, I like this one. This one really looks good. The only different design, get your book cover that sells. Okay, I will choose this one, guys. Okay, I like this one. So just click on the pin picture that you like and click over here to download this Pinterest pin picture to your laptop. Go back to your Pinterest account and click over here, and here you go. Let's go to download, and this is our pin picture. Open. You see this? That's really amazing, guys. If you want to create like this pin picture using, for example, Photoshop, it will take you hours. You see, we made it by AI. It's just in few seconds. Okay, this is the power of AI. If you know how to use AI in your business, any business, not just affiliate marketing, if you know how to use it, you can really scale fast and you don't need a team. You are actually right now, you can use just AI tools. Okay, anyway, so the picture looks good. We need a title and description. What we will do, we will go back to ChatGPT and we will ask him, give me. So just go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a pin title and description too, and use SEO optimized keyword to rank higher on Pinterest. Okay, this is pin title. Use one per pin. You can use a lot. They have different. ChatGPT will give you different titles, so you can test which title is working for you. Okay, the number one reason your book gets 0 sales. Ugly, how book cover made. Okay, ugly book cover, why your book isn't selling, fix your convert fast. Bad book. So I will choose one of those titles, for example, the number one. Okay, I will choose this one. I like this one. You guys can test different titles and see which title is working for you. Okay, I will put this title here. I need description. I will go back to ChatGPT. I have SEO optimist description. You see, we have also keyword, which is really good. Option one, best for ranking and conversion. Okay, I like this one. I will copy this one. I will go back to Pinterest and I will just put this description here. Okay, you see, looks good. I need to put here my affiliate link. Okay, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account and I will copy my affiliate link from here. Fiverr Pro new plan, you remember. I will copy and paste my affiliate link here. Okay, also guys, it's better to mention in your Pinterest description pin that this is an affiliate link. Okay, you can mention it here in one sentence. Okay, scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. Okay, please, in each board, promote one specific niche. Don't promote different niches in one board. If you do this, Pinterest will be confused and you will get zero traffic. Okay, you will not get any commission. You need to promote in each board one specific niche. Okay, so it's clear. And here you guys can put here your tags or keyword. Okay, so here you go, and that's it. You have the keyword here. You can copy those keyword and put those keyword here, but what you need to focus on is your title and your description. If everything looks good, just click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using AI. Okay, and you guys have a lot of services to promote. Okay, you don't have just this one. What I explained, go to trending, look how many trending services you have a lot. Okay, and just this one we promote for people who are asking, so how much we will earn. So for example, we promote guys pro service. This one is 70% of the first order. Okay, this service is just the basic package starting from $195. We have also standard package and some people can pay for premium package. Okay, anyway, let's take just the basic package. Okay, and let's go to ChatGPT and ask him what is, okay, 70% of $195. Yes, okay, they are really paying good commissions, guys. Okay, you see, for the first commission, okay, it's $136, okay, and 50 cents. This is really good and profitable. Okay, this affiliate marketing business is very profitable. Okay, anyway, if you want to learn more about this affiliate marketing business using AI, because what's working right now is AI, and if you are not using AI, you can't scale. Okay, I started using AI and my affiliate marketing business is growing fast. Okay, because AI is making so much content for me. It's like a mentor. It's giving me keyword, giving me what's trending, what to promote, giving me how the strategy, how I can create the content. If you want to learn more about this, just send me a message in my email. It's in my video description and I will send you guys all the details. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.